what he wanted this year. Well, his mother was just the other granddaddy for his stuff. He didn't buy it one because they wanted to tear it up. So after Christmas, I was talking about it.
Going to the open area so he can, his daddy's flying right now. He's flying it, Mama.
I thought he was flying a second ago.
He is. Uh-oh. Scare you?
I see what he said.
Oh, here he comes.
The